Guys, as you might know, I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I'd really appreciate if you subscribed and click the notification bell to stay notified of my future content. I've got plenty in the pipeline, so stay tuned and let's crack on with this video. So the first app we have is called Magic Particles Wallpaper. As you can see, you touch the screen and all the particles on the screen are attracted to your touch. You can hold it in one place and they gather into a tiny dot and then explode in a multi-coloured explosion like a firework. Pretty awesome. I'm guessing you could sit here and play with this all day. Obviously follows your finger, look, and then let go. Pretty cool. And here is it set. Here's the set, so it's every time you touch your apps, anything you do on your screen you touch, it's attracted to it. It's one of my favourites, that. Sticking with the particle colour theme, this one's called Hex Shaders. Basically it gives you lots of hexagons creating patterns and rainbows and whatnot, so you can change the different type of pattern it creates. And up here on the detail level, it basically zooms in and out to create your hexagons smaller or larger. Quite a neat little idea. You can have full zoomed in, but some sort of kind of futuristic. Also on the time scale, you can slow it down. This also could be therapeutic and you can just constantly look at this all day long. It's a good one to have on your computer, in fact. As you can see, I've got it on my tablet, and all these work on your phone, by the way. So once you chose your desired, I like this one, my favourite. Also chosen your favourite app. You just obviously click set it again, and there you go. It doesn't interact with your finger like the previous one, but it's still beautiful nonetheless. So this next one is called 3D Wallpaper. It's a bit glitchy at the moment, but it's pretty cool. Basically it does layers of photos, and every time you move your phone or device, the picture moves in the background. Let's set this. It's a bit glitchy at the moment, like I said, but every time you move something, it gives it a depth. Pretty cool, isn't it? It gives you various different images for free. Oh, some are paid for. Don't know why you'd want to pay for that one when you've got decent ones like this. But now all you got to do is download them. This one's pretty cool. Preview it. I mean, if it wasn't glitchy, it'd be like one of the best wallpaper apps out there, I think. Even if you set it, it doesn't make a difference. It's got a lovely depth. Yeah, I like them. It's good. The next suggestion is called Loop. So basically what it is like a GIF. It just constantly loops part of the photo or even the full photo. As you can see here, we've got nature, you've got a nice beach scene, it's constantly looping. So it's pretty cool. So we've got plenty of others. Very, very effective. You can set this as your background, obviously, and go with gives some awesome effect too. Down here you got the download button. And here you've got the customization section. So obviously it gives you a set colour in the background. You can change it, you can pick a colour from the shot itself, or choose a palette of colours there. Give a zoom in. That's obviously to choose a palette, and you can speed the image up or slow it right down. Obviously that's rubbish, as it's just, you make it look realistic. See, the sky's still and the water's moving. Which is, if you look closer you can notice that, but at first glance it still looks pretty impressive. So once you've got that, you can position your wallpaper. I think this one's made for phones only and not tablets. But as you can see, it still works nonetheless. That's pretty cool. So the next one then is called Screen Transparent. Basically self-explanatory. It will make your screen look transparent. So if you start it up, it uses the camera to give that transparency. Let's set this and come out of it. So every time you move the device, it will show you what is on the back of it. Therefore, transparency. But I should imagine this is probably a battery drainer, as it's obviously using your camera all the time. So it's probably just more of a gimmicky wallpaper than one you could use on a day-to-day basis. Pretty cool nonetheless. But there you have it. There is one more, this Zero. This is very similar to the previous one, but it's not done nowhere near as well. It's a bit. Let's have a look at this. Some of these, I've got Pro on, which you've got to buy, obviously. Not sure what it's supposed to do. Let's look, see what happens. In order for it to work, Zero must be set to live. It's basically set as a live wallpaper. Yeah, that's pretty rubbish. It doesn't do nothing. I can work it out. Right, so that's my top 5 Android wallpaper apps. Hope you liked my video. If you did, smash that like button. Comment on any video ideas you may want me to do in the future, and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye.